2026 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.